elevating lift maintenance business into the cloud. Join the data cloud revolution with ModuSolutions multi-brand platform. Connect your elevator online using the 4G ModuView Lite for a low monthly fee. ModuSolutions is a brand universal cloud-based service platform. We connect Otis, Schindler, Kone, Thesson, Arona, Kollmorgen, and many more. You can access, remote control, and monitor your elevator fleet, regardless of the elevator's age. Without the open platform connectivity, you may experience 2 to 3 callouts per elevator per year at 120 to 300 euro each. No detailed data available online. Low customer satisfaction. ModuSolutions multi-brand platform saves time and money with fact-based service, real-time data, less repairs and lower costs, better contract pricing, happy clients, business growth. We provide 24/7 monitoring, a watchful eye on your elevator performance, alerts, quick problem detection, know before your elevator breaks down, fact-based reports and alerts. Our Wikipedia of auto advice provides clear error codes and repair solutions. Cloud data connectivity revolution through multi-brand service platform. Substantial savings. Track performance online 24/7. Predictable and planned maintenance. Support for junior technicians in the field. Sales at ModuSolutions.com. For more info, www.ModuSolutions.com.